Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting power and software ready. Charge the battery fully or keep the camera on external power, install the ARLO app and sign in. Once done, insert the battery, press the button to power on, and use the app to scan the QR code on the camera. This pairs it. Make sure the camera is within Wi-Fi range. If you have an ARLO Smart Hub, place it near your router first. Follow the app prompts to name the device and accept permissions, so video and alerts work immediately. Next, tailor how the camera operates. Open device settings and create motion zones so you only get alerts for critical areas, and adjust sensitivity to cut down false alarms. Then set video quality. Higher quality means more data, and toggle the spotlight and audio to match your privacy needs. Once done, enable continuous recording or scheduled recording only if you have sufficient storage or subscription, and link the camera to smart assistants if you want voice control. Finally, install the camera permanently. Choose a secure, covered spot about 7-9 feet high, aim downward for a wide field, and use the included hardware to fasten it. After mounting, test live view and trigger motion to confirm alerts and spotlight behavior, and tweak zones or sensitivity if you see false positives. If problems occur, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the camera and router, confirm Wi-Fi credentials, and reduce video bitrate. These steps typically restore connectivity and extend battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.